Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy Future 6 Squirrel here, and today I'll be showing you how to record your Xbox One with OBS Studios. Do be in mind, you do have to have Windows 10, not Windows 8 or Windows 7, don't mind that noise. But yeah, so obviously you need a browser. I personally like Google Chrome. So just open up Google Chrome. Well, you don't need to open up Google Chrome. Just if you don't have OBS Studios, then you need to open up Google Chrome. And if you don't have OBS Studios, the link will be down in the description for you to download it. So, and then just download it for your computer, the type that you have, and then you just open it up. Alright, and then from here, you just click on start recording or start streaming. Obviously, I'm not going to click on start recording because I'm already recording, and it's just going to stop it. But once you got all that, this is where the Windows part will come in hand. So just go to here, and then all Windows 10 has the Xbox app, and here's my Xbox right now. Let me just do stop streaming. Alright, and then you just go down to this little connections, and then you go to hold on a second. Alright, so once you click on that, you click on Xbox, connect to Xbox. If it'll let me. Alright, so once you're there, it should be connected. Alright, now all you have to do is just click on stream. Alright, and then this will pop up. And then from there, if you have to like kind of test to see where it lags on what kind of setting. So obviously mine lags from very high and high, sometimes medium, and it's like rare on low. So if you change it to low, that's what it's gonna look like, and it looks horrible, and I don't like it. But I kind of have to have it because I don't want my video to be laggy. And then you can just record it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. What's this? Alright, so if I get my controller, hold on. Alright, so I have my controller right now. Hold on. Alright, now I can just start moving it around. And then if you have a monitor like me, just click on the button that actually changes to the input to the Xbox, and yeah, it should be there, and then you should be able to record. Like I can load in Red Dead Redemption just fine, nothing will happen, I'm good. I can watch YouTube, I can play on Fortnite if I want to, I can play on Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six. Oh yeah, and also, if if you guys want to add me, here's my gamer tag right here, Fat PR guy, standing for Fat Puerto Rican guy, because you know I'm fat and I'm Puerto Rican. But yeah, that's basically how you do it and how you exit out of this. Go back to your monitor input. So let me just go back to my monitor input. Okay, and then just click on F11 or your Windows key, and then just click on stop streaming, and then it'll stop, and then you should be good. And then you can close out of this if you want to when you're done, and then you can just go to your files, and then yeah, this is the one that I made earlier. Alright, let me just say that it does not, I'm pretty sure, I'm not sure yet, but so far it does not record your party audio. So yeah, if I'm talking to myself in my future videos on the Xbox One, oh yeah, um, and if I'm just talking to myself on the Xbox, I'm not talking to myself really. I'm just talking to my friends, but you just can't hear them. I'm gonna try to figure out a way how to get the party audio. But yeah, that's about it. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you slap that like button and subscribe for more tutorials, reactions, and gameplay in the future. Alright, peace out, guys.
Press start.